Ever struggled to find the voice memo button on Google Messages? You're definitely not alone, but Google might have just dropped the ultimate fix to end your frustration. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. In a sneaky new chat interface tweak, Google's giving that elusive little mic icon a major glow-up, making it pop like never before. If you're using the app's default dynamic color theme, the waveform icon now rocks a bright accent color that stands out in both light and dark modes. Change your phone wallpaper or system theme, and the button's background shifts right along with it. Previously, the button blended right into the rest of the texting bar, making it practically invisible if you were in a rush. Now, it screams for your attention until you start typing, at which point the classic send arrow takes over, just like old times. The catch here is this vibrant makeover only applies to the dynamic color option, leaving the other 8 custom themes completely untouched. Tech insiders caught this flashy upgrade on stable version of Google Messages, though it seems to be rolling out incredibly slowly since it's only popped up on a handful of devices so far. Is it a brilliant new feature, or just a happy accident from a system bug? Google's staying quiet for now, but users are already loving the visibility. Meanwhile, the smartphone wars are heating up because Apple's taking the exact opposite approach. In iOS 27 beta, Apple's actually letting users delete their own similarly placed voice button if they hate it. Plus, iPhone users can now customize it to either record an audio clip or start dictation. Whether you want your voice button to stand out like a neon sign or disappear completely, the power is finally in your hands. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.